Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues, and today I'm reviewing this remote control forklift which you can buy on Amazon. Check out this video, roll those titles. Hello, right now first of all I'll go through what you get in the box, then at the end of this video if you want to rewind it and start to see me using this device, this toy, just rewind to the end and I'll just show you with it working. Now what you get in the box, this is what you get in the box and this is what you can carry up to. You can carry up to, if you can see there, 26.5 lbs. Also, you can also, with this device, you can also buy this, which is separate, which is a trailer, what you put on the back, and this is separate to the forklift. So don't be confused. You don't get this inside the box, even though it does show you. You don't get that inside the box. Let's put the box to one side. That's the box. Now. Inside the box you get the instructions, which just basically shows you how to use it. Yeah, it shows you use the controller. That's the controller there, show you. That's basically what it does and everything. Right now, these are the metal forks what you get with it. These are not plastic metal, which is good, so it's hard to break. Really strong and well made. You get two of them in the box anyway. Two of these. You get this, which is like a hook, what you hook on the forklift if you want to, so you can hook it on, so you can hook different things on there and carry them around. Good idea. Next you get a USB lead, which this is used to charge the batteries, but only for the forklift itself, because you don't get batteries for the controller. The controller takes 4 AA batteries, so you need 4 AA batteries. But you get the batteries in the forklift, so that's which is a bonus. Yeah. And next, I'll show you the remote control. This is the remote control. As you can see, it's quite well made. Then also you also get inside the box these pallets. You get 2 of these pallets, so these are used for lifting things up on the forklift. So obviously when you're driving it, you can put 2 forks underneath there, then it lifts the item up. Which is quite good. You get 2 of them. And this is the forklift itself. 3 nice wheels on there, really strong. I recommend this is for somebody over, I would say about 7, because the reason is because the controller's hard to control. It's hard to actually control, so you need to understand the controls. So, and plus it's can be quite dangerous, because if you've got your hand stuck in there, then you roll the thing over, it might, could possibly break your fingers. So that's the reason why. So watch out for that when you're buying this. Make sure they're old enough. This is the front. That's how high it goes and all when it's on. I'll just put the forks on. I'll show you how to put the forks on. You get 2 forks. To put the forks on, you see this little barrier, this part here, it's like a little gap. You put it in the middle, like like so. So you hook it on first, then you put the middle, and you slide it along, like say to the left. Then obviously when you put the other one on, you put the slide it on, but put it the right. So you hook it on first. It's quite hard showing this. It's quite hard showing you when holding the camera at the same time. But anyway, so that's it. It's hooked on. That's hooked on as well. That's basically it. And you can have these how you like them, really. Put them there. And I'll just turn it on, just to show you it going down. When you turn it on, it also makes an engine noise as well. That's another thing it does, which is quite good. So I'll turn it on. Also, you get these lights here. These lights go on as well. Let's put it down. And that's down. As you can see, the lights have come on. I'll just do a video of me demonstrating using this forklift. Just check out this video.